Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing and trying on my JB Stylebox. I wasn't planning on filming today, but I just received this last night and I am just too excited to wait any longer, so let's get into it. For those who don't know, JB Stylebox is a personal styling service provided by a boutique in Michigan called JB&Me. You work with a real person who you can email your preferences and details to and ask for a styling box whenever you want. They charge a $25 styling fee that gets applied to anything you keep over $50, and you have 5 days to decide what you like before you need to send the remaining items back with the shipping label they provide in the box. And return shipping is complimentary if you keep at least 3 items. Now, sometimes this deters people from choosing this styling service, but honestly, out of all the styling services I've tried, and I've tried them all, this one always provides the best selection of clothing in terms of quality, price, and matching my personal style. And what's nice about this styling service is that you can go on the JB&Me website and look at their catalog of new clothes and get an idea of what they have and even request pieces that you'd like to see in your styling box. I didn't do that for this box, so the items in here are a complete mystery to me. Okay, let's get into prices. The Back 70 Streetwear Cloud NC sneaker, size 39, color black milk, is $155. I don't know this brand. I do really like these sneakers. Was I prepared to pay $150 for shoes today? No, but I'm gonna have to think about it because these are actually a really good staple and they're comfortable, they're cute, they're gonna go with a lot of things. We'll see. I'm gonna have to mull this one over. And then the Liverpool knit 3/4 sleeve draped neck top, size small, in tango red, is $59. Yeah, I think it's a good price, but I won't be keeping this one. I just didn't feel my best in it, and I think even if I sized up to a medium, I think it would still hug the midsection in a way that I just don't think is very flattering for my body type. And then the Just Black denim straight leg jeans, size 31, in dark denim, is $89. I think that's a really good price for good quality denim. And these jeans are made up of 92% cotton, 5% polyester, and 3% spandex. So yeah, I typically like my jeans to be, I don't know, like 98% cotton. These are like a thick, stretchy denim, but yeah, not for me. I think this like stretchy kind of denim just ends up like kind of sliding down all day and you're just kind of like pulling them up. And I just don't really like to be like finicking with my clothes all day like that. So I won't be keeping these. Next is the Bishop & Young Danny Lace top, size medium, in color black, for $84. It runs too small and was just not comfortable for me, and I don't like how cropped it is. Yeah, so I think even if it was the right size, I don't think I would end up keeping it. Next is the Ichi Balya zip mock neck in size small, color gray, for $94. This is a really nice sweater. It's really soft. You can just tell like it feels like a luxury sweatshirt. This is one that I'm considering keeping. One thing that I don't like about it, and I always tell my stylist this, like, I don't love a dropped shoulder or where the seam of the shoulder is down the arm. I just think for my body type, it always kind of ends up making me look frumpy or bigger than I am. Like, I want my shoulder to seem to be right where my shoulder is. That's just the most flattering look for me. So that's kind of my problem with this sweatshirt. I might try it on again, see how I would style it with other things. And last but not least is this 650 Chiara leather collar sweater in size small, color black, for $100. Out of everything I got in my box, I do like this sweater the most. Do I think it's worth $100? It is like a thick sweater. Like, something I really like about it is that you really can't see through it. I think something about fashion nowadays is when you go looking for sweaters like this, it often won't be a tight stitch, and that's how you know like it's a low quality sweater. Like, they tried to cut corners on creating the garment, but with this, it's definitely not a problem. So that's how I know that this is a quality piece. Yeah, very comfy, thick, high quality. I like the design. I really like the faux leather collar. Like, I just don't own anything like this. Yeah, I think out of everything in my box, I would want to keep this top. That's the thing I like about JB&Me. I rarely feel like there's an upcharge on pieces with this styling box, whereas with other ones, you know right away that they're trying to sell you pieces that are like $20, $30, $40, even $50 more than they would be sold at other retailers. Yeah, I never feel that way with JB&Me. Overall, this sweater, the sneakers, and maybe the gray Ichi sweater are contenders. Yeah, I'm gonna be sure to give my stylist some feedback. She does listen and use that to create the next box. I'm sure the next box is gonna be even better, and I still am excited to continue using this service. It's always so fun getting to try these looks on at home and being styled. If you guys are interested in trying JB Stylebox, I do definitely recommend it. It is my favorite styling service, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe for more content like this. Bye.